Hey, what's up? First of all, I'd like to get into this track, but before I do, I want to send a shout out to Collision Drumsticks and the endorsement company. I'm so happy and excited to be a part of such a great company. I love these sticks are amazing. I love playing with them. So we're gonna have some fun. So before I get into this track, I'll tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Jarvis Jones. I was born and raised in Miami, Florida, by way of Richmond Heights. I spent a lot of years playing in my granddaddy church as a drummer in the church. And through the years, I had opportunities to play with gospel groups, Melvin Dawson and Genesis Ensemble, and other local artists. And I spent a little time in Atlanta. I was also up there, so I was able to play with groups like Danny Boy, Charisma Jazzmatic Funk Band as well, you know what I'm saying? So then once I resided now that I'm back in Miami, and in the Fort Lauderdale area, you can see me on the scene playing with Betty Paget, Blues Band, also Ambush 17, which is a rock band, so I'm really having fun doing that. Also a Latin band by the name of Jeremy's Way. And once again, I must say these sticks are real durable, especially when it comes to playing that rock music. It gets real intense. So once again, shout out to Collision's Stick Endorsement Company. I'm happy to be a part of the family. Let's have some fun.